Popeye's Blackened Chicken Sandwich? Or how about a Dano's Blackened Chicken Sandwich? Let's make it. Get you some plastic wrap. Do you want the rolling pin or do you want the hammer? I'm gonna go with the rolling pin. We're gonna flip it over. I got my 20-inch cast iron. A lot of people are gonna use a seasoning called blackened seasoning or whatever. Dano's is perfect for blackening. It's low sodium, it's no sugar, so I can coat this heavily and it's not gonna overdo the salt. You can see our cast iron's hot. We'll even give it a little test. Oh, that's hot. A little grapeseed oil. Now we go in, season side down. We're gonna grab our spicy Dano's and we're gonna season the other side. We're gonna get that perfect herb crust on there. At the end, it'll shrink back up to where it'll fit that bun just right. We're gonna give it a flip and look at our perfect blackened herb crust. Perfect, perfect. We're almost done. I'm gonna flip it over one last time. Turn my cast iron off. It's gonna retain a lot of heat. Jalapenos. We're gonna top it with some Swiss cheese. As that sits and melts, let's make our sauce. Bunch of mayonnaise, a healthy squeeze of sriracha, and about 4 or 5 good pops of the Dano's Chipotle, and a little squeeze of lemon juice. You mix that up and should look like that. Ooh, how good is he? He must have taken some sort of sauce dripping lesson somewhere. Let's make these look pretty. Brioche buns, sauce them up. Lay your pickles on the bottom. Ooh, look at that. And we finish it off with the bun on top. Now let's get a bite. That's for real gonna be hard to beat. Good luck with that. Get all them juices in there. From the pickle, from the jalapeno to the cheese. The pickles got crunch, the jalapenos got crunch. That's how you do it, my friends. Spicy, not too spicy. The dill pickle, the blackened chicken, the Dano's. I outdid myself today. Yum, yum, get you some.